everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our previous session, we learned what are bitwise operators. Today, now in this session, we will be learning about membership operators. Now, guys, what is membership operators? Let's understand that.
Also, if you want to become a successful data analyst and you want to learn from our industrial experts, then you may call on the number given below, or you can also click on the link given in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started, guys.
Membership operators allows us to check for a sequence in an object. There are two types of membership operators that we have. We have in and not in. Let's have a look on how they can be used in our programs. So guys, to explain membership operators, I'm considering a case where I'm taking a variable a. Inside it, I'm adding a string hello. Now what I need to check, I want to check if alphabet a is present inside the string a or not. For that, all I need to do is I'll write print. Inside the string, I'll write a, that a in our variable a. So let's run and see what happens. If I run it, it gives us false. Why it gives us false? Because we can clearly see that in the word hello, we don't have alphabet a. At the same time, if I would have written o over here and would have run it, it would have given me true. Why? Because yes, o is present inside a. Now considering the case of not in over here, I'm taking the same example. Here I will be checking O not in. That means if it is not there inside A. Simple English syntax is here that O not in A. That means O is not there in A. If it is not there in A, it will give us true. If it is there in A, it will give us false. So yes, O is not there in A, so it gives us false. At the same time, I would have written A. A would have given me true. Why it would have given me true? Because A is not there in our variable A. So this is how our membership operators work, where we check if a sequence is present in an object or not. So I hope guys membership operators are now clear to you. So here we have completed 7 operators in this module. I hope you have no doubts and questions. In our next session, we will be discussing about problems related to the operators. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.